and welcome to a Hayley Louise Crafts crochet tutorial. Today I'll be showing you the foundationless chain, which can be used to start off your flat work instead of working into a chain. The principle behind a foundationless chain is we're using double crochet to create both the initial chain and the first row of our piece, allowing for a more controlled start to our work, both in terms of size as well as consistency. To start, chain 2. Yarn over for a double crochet, skip the first chain, and then insert your hook into the back part of the starting chain. Perform a double crochet as normal. Now, yarn over again and insert your hook into what looks like a normal crochet stitch but is at the bottom of the work. See here? Now, yarn over and draw up the loop. Here is where, if you're a tight crocheter like me, you have to ignore your instincts and pull up a little higher than normal, otherwise our foundationless chain will skew a bit. Now continue performing double crochet as normal. Continue working like this, performing double crochets into the V-stitch that you see at the bottom of the work, pulling up a loop a little higher and crocheting along until you get your desired length. This method is a little strange and it can take some getting used to before you get a consistent looking first row, but I think it saves so much time in comparison to chaining the first row, especially if you miscount. Maybe do a couple of small tests before moving on to your main project, just to get the feel of the stitch. Foundationless chain also creates a lovely edge on both sides of the piece, meaning you can work back into the starting edge later if adding a border to a piece or any extra flourishes. And there you have it. Happy crocheting!